once felt like science fiction is now driving down our streets, and it's much closer than you might think. Personal drones, SUVs that spin on their own axis, cars with no rear window or even a rear-view mirror. What was once the domain of movies like Blade Runner or Tron is now available in production vehicles, with functional, certified technology ready for consumers. One of the most striking examples comes from BYD's lineup, equipped with the Ling Yuan system. Found in models like the Tang L, Ceylon 07, and Yangwang U8, these vehicles feature a rooftop companion drone with a 4K camera, capable of following the car at speeds up to 54 kilometers per hour. Charging from 20 to 80% takes just 30 minutes, and the unit costs approximately $2,200. The goal? To capture real-time aerial footage or autonomously map the surroundings, extending spatial awareness beyond human limits. Also from BYD, the Yangwang U8 is an SUV with previously unseen capabilities. Powered by 4 electric motors delivering a combined 1,200 horsepower, this model can execute a tank turn, rotating in place. In emergency situations, it can even float for up to 30 minutes in shallow water. Its starting price is high, around $150,000, but the technology package marks a new level for both off-road and urban vehicles. In the field of autonomous driving, Mercedes-Benz now legally operates in California and Nevada with its Level 3 drive pilot system. Available in the S-Class and EQS models, this feature allows the driver to take their hands, and even eyes, off the road under specific traffic conditions, operating up to 64 kilometers per hour. Activation is available through an annual subscription of approximately $2,500 with over-the-air software updates. Another highlight comes from Polestar with the 4 model, which completely eliminates the rear window. Instead, a rooftop camera projects a live feed onto a 15-inch interior display. This not only improves the vehicle's aerodynamics but also frees up interior space, adding 15 millimeters of rear headroom. The car accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.7 seconds and offers a range of up to 620 kilometers under the WLTP cycle. Closing the list is the Hyundai Ioniq 5, and its sportier version, the 5N, which incorporates 8-bit inspired pixel LED headlights. Beyond the retro-futuristic styling, the model includes a V2L feature that turns the car into a mobile power source, delivering up to 3.6 kilowatts, enough to power devices like microwaves or laptops while camping. Fast charging is equally impressive, from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes, thanks to its 800-volt architecture. Comparing these technologies reveals a clear shift from concept to functionality. What once appeared in prototypes or fiction a decade ago now directly influences design, usability, and cost in today's vehicles. The timeline between idea and practical application keeps shrinking, and the trend points toward continued acceleration. If we already have drones launching from rooftops and SUVs that float, just imagine what the next 5 years will bring. Science fiction is no longer a glimpse of the future. It's a description of the present, complete with license plates, batteries, and remote control. Like the video? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more innovations already hitting the road.